So I'm hoping everybody is doing well. Welcome to Algebra 2. We're going to end up just going briefly through the math editor with Canvas. So when you are in a document within Canvas, you can use this tool. And what you're going to do is there's two ways that you can use this. Okay, I'm going to go through both ways. Make sure you don't think that it is a calculator, because this is not able to solve for you. This is just for you to insert equations or certain math operations when needed. So the first way to end up going into the editor, you could go to Insert and go ahead. If you see the one with the radical where it says equation, you could go ahead and click on that. So if I wanted to enter in my document a fraction, then I would end up seeing, if you see next to it, it looks like a little division. So I'm going to click on that, and then I could insert my fraction if I wanted to insert 1/8. Go ahead and type insert equation, and then it's going to come up into my document. Okay. I just deleted it. So if you want to undo, you just click Control-Z. And there you see the fraction, okay? You could play it around with your font. You can make it bigger if you want. That's something that right here is your font size. So I want to make it so just like you guys, I'm learning how to use this, and you end up clicking over it. You see how image options appears? And then if I were to wanted to change the size towards the right, I could end up making a small font, and even though it's small, it'll come up bigger. Okay, so here's my fraction. So I insert a fraction. This is just example. Now, if I wanted to do a square root or a radical, okay, here's a second way you could insert an equation is on towards the right. You see a radical symbol. That symbol right there is called the radical, and then an X. You click on that, double click on it, and you will find that same symbol. So you could end up doing a radical. If you notice, I inserted 2, but I only need 1. So if I wanted to put the radical of 100, then I could do that. I click on insert equation. Again, because I had it as at a small font, I could go again, click on it, click on the actual see image options, and I could change my size of it if I wanted to. Okay, so you're going to see it, it's going to appear bigger. Okay, so that's the radical or the square root bundle. And then the last one I want to show you guys is, hey, you know what? Now you get to pick which one do you want. I'm going to insert an equation, double click on it, and I'm going to end up doing x squared. So I'm going to write x, and in order to do the little exponent symbol, if you notice the second one right here, there's a 1, there's 2, that's an exponent. So it's kind of higher on the upper right. And now I'm going to click on insert equation, just so you guys are able to see it. I'm going to click on it so I could change the size of it. And there you go. So whenever you want to insert any type of the math, those are operations, whether it be a fraction, radical, squared, or a cube or cube root, that's where you're going to go. You're either going to go to insert equation, or you click the button over here. Okay, so I hope that helped. I will see you guys. Take care.